अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। Hussain 64057. Abdullah Ali 64100. Okay, students, today we are doing chain rule. Chain rule means y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x, and we have to find dy upon dx, the derivative of y with respect to x. Y is not directly function of x. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x. U is a function of x. Chain rule. Zishan Ali Zishan Ahmad Khan 63350. Iman Aisha 64076. So chain rule is applied when y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Then dy upon dx, y is not a function of x, it is a function of u. Then dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. This is called the chain rule. When y is a function of u and u is a function of x, the dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Mohammad Saad Sheikh 64105. Daniel Humayun Mirza 64169. Now we are doing the exercise 3.5. We will do the exercise 3.5. That is on page 201. In the same exercise, we have done parametric functions. In the same exercise, we have done parametric functions. Now we are doing the chain rule. Muhammad Hamad 64078. So the same exercise, question number 1, y is 6u minus 9. Y is 6u minus 9. Sayyid Muhammad Faiq Raza 63706. So y is equal to 6u minus 9 and u is equal to 1 upon 2 x is to power 4. And we have to find dy upon dx. So first of all, we'll find dy upon du. So dy upon du will be equal to 6. The derivative of 6u will be 6 and the derivative of u will be 1. 6 into 1 will be 6 and derivative of 9 will be 0. So minus 0. That is equal to 6. In the same way, we will find du upon dx. Du upon dx. Du upon dx will be equal to 1 over 2 is constant. The derivative of x raised to power 4 will be 4 into x raised to power 3 minus 1 power. 2 ones are 2. Sorry. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So it will become 2x cube. Now we will find dy upon dx. Is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon du into du upon dx. Put the values. Dy upon du is 6. Dy upon du is equal to 6 into dy upon dx is 2x cube. So the answer is 12x cube. This is the final answer. 12x cube is the answer of the first question. Y is 6u minus 9. Who is there? Muhammad Arqam 64397. Saad Ahmed Khan 64050. Muhammad Salman Khan 64094. Okay. So y is a function of u. Y is equal to 6u minus 9 and u is equal to u is a function of x. U is equal to 1 over 2 x is to power 4. We have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So first of all, we'll find dy upon du. So dy upon du is equal to 6 into derivative of u with respect to u will be 1. 6 into 1 will be 6 and derivative of 9 that is constant is 0. So 6 minus 0, the answer is 6. So dy upon du is equal to 6. Now we'll find du upon dx. The second one, du upon dx. So du upon dx will be equal to 1 upon 2 is constant, and the derivative of x is to power 4 will be equal to 4x is to power 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this is the answer, 2x cube. 2x cube. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So dy upon du was 6 into du upon dx is 2x cube. 6 into 2x cube. The answer is 12x is to power 3. The answer is 12x is to power 3. That was question number 1 of exercise 3.5. The same exercise which we have already done, the sum question, parametric functions. We have done from this exercise the parametric functions. Now we are doing the chain rule. Who came? Sayyid Muhammad Usman 63626. So now 18 students are present. Okay. Question number 3. Now we are doing question number 3. Y is equal to sine u and u is equal to 3x plus 1. Question number 3. Y is equal to sine u and u is equal to 3x plus 1. First of all, we will find dy upon du. Cos u. And then du upon dx. 3 is constant. Derivative of x is 1. So 3 into 1 will be 3 and derivative of 1 will be 0. So du upon dx is equal to 3. So dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So dy upon du is cos u and du upon dx will be 3. So it will become 3 cos u. Replace u by its value 3x plus 1. So it will become 3 cos of 3x plus 1. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Dy upon y was sine u and u was 3x plus 1. We have to find dy upon dx. So how to find? First we find dy upon du. It will become cos u. Then we find du upon dx. This is 3 into derivative of x will be 1. 3 into 1 will be 3 and derivative of 1 is 0. So 3 plus 0 will be 3. Now dy upon dx will use the formula. We apply the formula. Dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. This is the formula given over there. Dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon du is cos u. Dy upon du is cos u into du upon dx is 3. So cos u into 3 will be 3 cos u. Replace u by its value. So 3 cos 3x plus 1. This is the answer. Muhammad Bilal Ansari. 64434. That was question number 3. Question number 8. Y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. Y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. Question number 8. Asadullah Khan 61348. Y is equal to minus sec u. Question number 8. Y is equal to sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. Y is equal to minus sec u and u is equal to x square plus 7x. So we will find dy upon du. Dy upon du minus the derivative of sec u will be sec u tan u. Sec u tan u and derivative of du upon dx. The derivative of x square will be 2x and derivative of 7x will be 7. Muhammad Daniel Malik 64262. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon du is equal to minus sec u tan u into dy du upon dx is 2x plus 7. This is into du upon dx 2x plus 7. So the answer will become minus sec u, sorry, that will be written first. First algebraic function, then trigonometric function, and then exponential function. Plus this will become first minus sign minus 2x plus 7 into sec u tan u. Replace the value of u, it will become minus 2x plus 7 sec u. U is x square plus 7x. U is replaced by x square plus 7x into tan u, x square plus 7x. This is the final answer. Minus 2x plus 7 into sec x square plus 7x tan x square plus 7x. This is the final answer of dy upon dx. This is dy upon dx. Because here we are finding dy upon dx, there is no u, so we have to replace u. We have to replace u. 64169. Understood this question? Have you all understood? The chain rule is not difficult. It is easy. But just you remember the formula. Dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Question number 9. Question number 9. 2x plus 1 whole raised to y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 5. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 5. Have you understood this question? Question number 8. Should I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Question number 9. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to power 5. Find dy upon dx, we can find directly because y is a function of x. Here y is a function of x, we can find directly dy upon dx, but we can use the chain rule as well. डायरेक्ट वैसे आसानी से हो जाता है, तो वो ज्यादा आसान रहेगा, लेकिन हम चेन रूल चूंकि पढ़ रहे हैं, इसलिए चेन रूल मैं आपको बता दें. इसको आप 2x plus 1 will be supposed to be u. Suppose is equal to 2x plus 1. ये जो इनसाइड है इसको हमने u सपोज कर लिया, तो y आपके पास हो गया y is equal to u raised to power 5 and u is equal to 2x plus 1. u हमने ये सपोज किया था 2x plus 1, तो ये u raised to power 5 हो गया और u की ये वैल्यू हो गई. Again we will use the chain rule dy upon du is equal to 5 u raised to power 4. 5 u raised to power 4. इसी तरह इसको du upon dx will be equal to 2. मोहम्मद हाशिर के 64093. Okay. So dy upon du is equal to 5 u raised to power 4 and du upon dx is 2. So dy upon dx will become dy upon du into du upon dx. Put the values. Dy upon du is 5 u raised to power 4 into du upon dx is 2. So it is 10 u raised to power 4. It is 10 u raised to power 4. Replace u. U was 2x plus 5. 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. So this is the final answer. We solved it by chain rule. We solved it by chain rule. We can do directly as well, no problem. We can do directly. Y is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to power 5. So dy upon dx will be equal to, first we take the power over there, 5. We'll take 5 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 5 minus 1, that is 4, into the derivative of what is inside, of what is inside, 2x plus 1. That will be 2x plus 1. So it will become 5, that is 5 minus 1, 1 power, that power is shifted over there and we subtract 1 power, it will become 5, 2x plus 1 raised to power 4 into the derivative of 2x plus 1 will be 2. It is 10, 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. 10, 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. This is the final answer, just like that. Here also 10 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 4. So we use directly, here we found the derivative directly without supposing u and without applying that. This is also the chain rule. The derivative of this one into the derivative what is inside. This is also the chain rule. But we did not suppose anything over there. Directly we did all the things. तो ये डायरेक्टली हमने किया, यहाँ हमने यूज सपोज करके किया, तो है दोनों ही चेन रूल, है दोनों ही चेन रूल, एक के बाद दूसरा डेरिवेटिव, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद डेरिवेटिव से डेरिवेटिव लेते चले गए हम। पहले पावर का डेरिवेटिव लिया, फिर जो कुछ इनसाइड था उसका डेरिवेटिव लिया, उसमें भी कुछ और होता तो हम उसका भी डेरिवेटिव लेते। तो बाज औकात ये डायरेक्ट करने पर आसान हो जाता है, बाज औकात यू सपोज करने पर आसान होता है, डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चन पर, कि क्वेश्चन को देखकर पता चलता है हम डायरेक्ट कर लें तो क्या आसानी से हो जाएगा, अगर डायरेक्ट कर लें पर आसानी से हो ठीक है, सपोज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन अगर हम ये समझते हैं कि डायरेक्ट करने पर मतलब हमें मुश्किल हो रही है तो फिर हम उसको यू सपोज कर लेंगे, जो भी इनसाइड है, पूरे को नहीं, जो भी इनसाइड है उसको यू सपोज किया जाता है। तो यू रेस टू पावर जो भी पावर है वो पावर यहां आ जाएगी। अंडरस्टूड? ओके। सैयद मोहम्मद उस्मान 63626। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। सैयद रुहेल शाह 6454। Question number 13, y is equal to x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 4. Y is equal to x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 4. अब हम इसको यू सपोज कर लेंगे that u is equal to x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x. Therefore, y will be equal to u raised to power 4. y क्या होगी? u raised to power 4. Now we'll find dy upon du. Four x raised to power, sorry, 4 u raised to power 3. 4 u raised to power 3. और फिर और u हमारे पास क्या था? u हमने किसको सपोज किया था? ये एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 8 प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स, ये हो गया एक्स रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 1। 1 अपॉन एक्स क्या हो गया? एक्स रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 1। हम इसका डी यू अपॉन डी एक्स ले लेते हैं। एक्स स्क्वायर का 2x अपॉन 8 एज इट इज आ गया, प्लस एक्स का 1 माइनस एक्स रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 1 का माइनस 1 एक्स रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 2। एक पावर कम कर देंगे, माइनस 1 नीचे आ जाएगा, तो माइनस 1 माइनस या माइनस 1, ये माइनस 1 नीचे आ गया और x की पावर माइनस 1 ऑलरेडी थी और माइनस 1 एक और किया तो माइनस 2 हो गया। तो ये हमारे पास हो गया x अपॉन 4 प्लस 1 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1/x²। du अपॉन dx हमारे पास क्या आ गया, x/4 + 1 This is du upon dx. Now use the chain rule. dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Put the values. dy upon du 4u raised to power 3 into du upon dx is x/4 plus 1 plus 1/x². Replace u by this value. It will become 4. u की जगह हमने ये लिख दिया, x² / 8 plus x minus 1/x raised to power 3 into x/4 plus 1 plus 1/x². अब चाहे तो इसको आप पहले लिख दें या 4 के बाद और ये बाद में। तो इसको जो है हम 4 के बाद लिख देते हैं और इसको आखिर में लिख देते हैं। तो मैं यहां लिख देता हूं आंसर।